Hello traders, hello investors, how are you guys doing today, my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. Today, Tesla is going up 0.86% roughly. However, the S&P is dropping minus 0.46%. The Nasdaq is also dropping minus 52%. We see VIX going up plus 4.54%. Today, it is a very complex day. The situation is not that easy to read. However, we can set some scenarios to keep in mind, to work with from now on in Tesla. We have earnings in 2 days, so it is extremely important for us to be prepared for whatever happens next. In that case, just remember, my dear friends, click on the like button to support this channel. If you're new around here, just subscribe, because I'm here every single day to keep you guys updated on Tesla and on other stocks as well. Now, back to Tesla. No, before we talk about Tesla, let's talk about the S&P. Today, we are dropping, maybe because Jim Cramer, he rang today's bell, I think, on New York Stock Exchange, right? So today we are dropping because of that, of course. Obviously, it is the only reason why we are dropping. However, I think we just found a resistance on the S&P today. Maybe this purple trend line is indeed working as a resistance, and we are doing a candlestick pattern, call it dark cloud cover candlestick pattern today, just under this resistance level. All right, so maybe we're gonna drop a little bit more. The low volume is not that convincing. I'm not that convinced that we're gonna drop, but I do believe if we lose today's low tomorrow, maybe we'll have a decent chance of dropping a little bit more. The Nasdaq composite is also dropping today. We almost hit our previous resistance area around 11.6, 11.7K. Up here, we almost hit that point, and right now we are dropping again, losing strength a little bit. It's not a catastrophic situation, but we are losing strength. The low volume is also quite puzzling to me today, so I'm still a little bit skeptical about a further drop. How this is going to affect Tesla? Well, today Tesla is going up. However, we have a bearish candlestick pattern today. Call it shooting star candlestick pattern. If you're not so sure about what a shooting star is, go here, the pattern site Bukovsk's, the pattern site.com. Go to candlesticks and let's look for shooting star one line. Here, this is our pattern. Okay, maybe a shooting star, I'm so sorry, could be white or black, its body. In Tesla's case today, it is black, and its theoretical performance is bearish reversal. Its tested performance is bearish reversal 59% of the time. However, we gotta wait for this pattern to be triggered in order for this odds to make sense on Tesla for the short or mid-term. Okay, right now this pattern was not triggered. Okay, today we might see a shooting star candlestick pattern, but we gotta wait for tomorrow. All right. If tomorrow we lose today's low, okay, maybe Tesla is gonna drop a little bit more. Again, I'm still a little bit skeptical, especially because if we analyze the 1 hour chart, the short term over here, we see that Tesla did trigger a classic bullish pivot point over here, right? It did a higher low and then it did a higher high. Right now, we are correcting to this black line over here, which was previously a resistance once, twice, thrice, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times in the past. So this black line, in theory, it should work as a very nice support level for us. In addition to this black line at 725, we have the 21 exponential moving average working as a support level as well. So right now we have a dual support area in this price range between 730, 725, maybe 723 down here. So This is a classic support area. According to the polarity principle in technical analysis, previous resistances are going to work as future support levels and vice versa. So right now, Tesla is doing a very technical movement. As far as I know, we are doing just a simple, harmless, normal correction in a bull trend in the short term. All right? We could even drop a little bit more. Maybe this black line is going to be lost tomorrow and we're going to fill this gap around 720. Okay, this is a real possibility, all right? It's 720, let's put it 720. We could fill this gap tomorrow. The volatility may help us over here. Remember, we have earnings as well in 2 days. So the volatility will surely increase. Even if we lose today's low, even if we trigger this bearish shooting star candlestick pattern, triggering a reversal with literally 59% chances of reversing. If we do trigger this reversal, even considering the volatility will increase because we have earnings in 2 days, I do believe in the worst case scenario, Tesla is going to drop to this purple trend line again. Okay? This is the worst case scenario that I see for the short and mid-term as well. This purple trend line did work as a support level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times in the past, so it's not gonna be so easy for Tesla to lose this purple trend line. In addition to that, I think from here we have roughly, let me see, 8% downside. Okay, this is not too little, I do agree. Considering it is Tesla, I think it's a normal drop to expect. However, we must wait for the bearish pattern to be triggered because, as far as I know, this is still a bull trend in the 1-hour chart. We could react over here, do a phenomenal bullish candlestick pattern tomorrow and fly, and earnings could make it fly even to higher levels, and we could break the 771 resistance over here, filling this gap, right? So this is a real possibility. However, do we see a bullish reaction near the support level? No. Do we see anything saying that we are going to lose this dual support level and trigger this shooting star candlestick pattern? No. So we gotta wait, okay? Tomorrow we will have more answers about how to proceed on this scenario. Either way, I think Tesla will only resume and become truly bullish for good if we break 757. Above 700s, we are in bullish territory. This is quite good, but we gotta break this 757, this black line over here, because if we do break this black line, we are gonna frustrate the idea of this double top or even triple top chart pattern right now Tesla is trying to make, and we're gonna do a new high for the first time since we started dropping on April 2022 over here. Wow, that's quite a lot. So it is important for Tesla to break 757, this black line over here, okay? Right now, in the daily chart, we are in a no man's land, right? We are just trading erratically between 757 and between this purple trend line, and this is it. Maybe Tesla will remain trading in this area, and I think this won't be the end of the world. But if you ask me, I rather prefer to see a bullish scenario in Tesla, right? I rather prefer to see we breaking 757 right now, especially because we are near a support level in the weekly chart. It is important for us to see Tesla triggering a bullish chart pattern right now for a change, okay? So if you ask me, I rather prefer to see Tesla becoming bullish in the next few days, in the next few weeks, breaking the $800 and maybe potentially retesting the previous resistance around $956 up here. This is a possibility we gotta consider, but right now we should wait for the breakout of 757. If you believe you're gonna become bearish, wait for the breakout of this dual support level of this shooting star candlestick pattern in the daily chart, all right? So these are the scenarios we gotta work from here. Personally speaking, I don't believe Tesla could drop too much from here, right? Now, even considering we could have bad earnings, right? I don't believe we're gonna drop too much. I believe this support would hold Tesla, and if we see a bullish candlestick pattern near the support level, I think it would be just a phenomenal opportunity to buy. Right now, I see no buy in Tesla, but maybe we could see a buy soon. I will keep you guys updated every single day, so seriously subscribe this channel. You probably liked the video, right? So are you still watching it? So seriously, remember, subscribe, click on the like button. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you very much. Bye bye, stay safe, farewell.